Okay guys, so I'm back. I have finished putting this breeder box together, this net breeder. It was fairly simple. Instructions are simple. First you square it off, then you put the net on, then you kind of put the net over the edges like that, and then you tie it off. And they got these brackets for you to be able to bend them down to set your thing on. Matter of fact, we can do that now. So it goes in like this, and you take these brackets and you bend them down for a tight fit where we are. So it sits like that. That's my females they're still in the thing. But I didn't want to do that right away, but you guys talked me into it because I wanted to introduce. I got one more of these left when I bought some of this quadra grass type thing, little decoration. So I'm putting this in here. I'm stuffing it in there. Stuffing it in there. Kind of like so. And that's only so the fry have a place to go hide when they drop. And they can hide from the parents. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my moms in there, and we're gonna sit and wait, and then I'll be back with another video to show you guys the results of the fry and see how this works out, because they do look pretty pregnant in there. If you could see, they look really plump and ready to go, squared off. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you.